So super late to the game, I did a POPMART order. I was always just like, why are we buying toys for XYZ amount? Blah, 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 blah. But I'm like, it's my birthday. Let's get some cute little blind boxes. So whatever. So yeah, I got a LABUBU. Actually got a couple other LABUBUs too, but I bought them in separate orders. So they're coming later. And also I got a Teletubby. I was more stoked about the Teletubby, truthfully, than I was about the LABUBU, because, you know, Teletubbies are my generation, right? Anyways, that's what you can get in the Teletubby box, and that's what you can get in the LABUBU box, as everybody already knows this, because LABUBUs have had their time, I feel like, now. Anyways, here we go. Let's open them up. So when you buy these blind boxes on POPMART, like, or at least when I did, they like told me what I was getting after a certain amount of minutes. Like, it was kind of annoying. I don't know if I bought it wrong or I did something wrong on the website or the app, but yeah, every order I've done, I already know what I'm getting ahead of time. Me opening these right now, I was hoping that maybe that wasn't the case and that I would be surprised, but yeah, I got what I got. Whatever. It's all good. But I would be lying if I said I didn't know what I was about to open. Is that everybody's case? If so, then it's not really a blind box, so I don't really get it, but whatever. It's cute.